Okay guys, so as you can see right now in the screen that D2C recruitable gateway to your dream job. Biggest off-campus hiring drive for software engineers SDE roles. 1500 plus job and internship for the fresher and experienced batch. Okay, so in these 2C platforms many jobs are opening and many companies are going to hire from that. Okay, many big IT MNCs companies are hiring from this D2C challenge. Okay, so you have to register for it. Okay, and required qualification are BTech, ME, MTech. Then if you have done these degrees, then you can apply for it. And required batches are 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, means from 2019 to 23, 20 2023 batch can apply for it. Okay, so guys, here you can see then registration deadlines is 19 September. Okay, and only 22 days left for this registration, and registrations are free. Okay, now this registration is free. Okay, so you can see guys, so D2C recruitables off-campus hiring drives for software development engineer SD roles. Okay, so already 10,000 are registered, and let's discuss about first required qualifications. Okay, so here you can see guys, many ITs companies are going to hire from this D2C platforms. Okay, so here you can see some good IT companies names are Walmart's and CTC 20 LPA 224 LPS, and this Walmart's is especially going to hire 2022 and 2023 batch for internship. Okay, so you can check out all these details. Okay, many IT companies are going to hire from this D2C challenge. Okay, so here you can see so this challenge is going in 4 steps. First, in general aptitude and logical reasoning MCQ. In second, basic programming's fundamental MCQ. And third, soft skill assessment in all these 3 MCQ. And in last, elementary online coding assessment. Okay, 2 to 3 online coding problems. Okay, you have to solve. So you can see here, first assessment is your general aptitude assessments, and second, evaluation on computer science fundamentals. Okay, and third, soft skill assessment. After that, elementary online coding assessment. After that, interview with your dream companies. Okay, so all these companies is going to hire according to their requirements. Okay, and your batches and skills. Okay, so the batches. Okay guys, one more important things. Okay, so in this D2C, based on your assessment, you will get a section wise score and rank on D2C recruitables leaderboards. This will valid for 6 months, just like TCS. Okay, they provide you a scorecard which is valid for 6 months. Through that scorecard you can apply for all these companies. Okay, this is just like TCS. Okay, so let's discuss about required qualifications. If you are looking for software development engineer STE or equivalent role, decided salaries with amazing companies like all this we have mentioned. Students, okay, not important. Okay, pursuing a full-time BTech, BE, MTech, ME, MCA and batches 2022 and 2023 batches. Okay, and fresher and work experience candidate looking for their first job or a new job, BTech, BE, MTech, ME, MCA degrees, 0 to 2 year of experience, and required batches 2021, 2022 and 2019. Okay, so all 19 to 23 batch can eligible for it, and they hire according to their requirements. Okay, please note that all participant company will have different eligible requirement based on which they will shortlist candidate, like but not limited to graduation, post-graduation degree, academic score, passing years of batches, work experience, etc. some may require only 2022 2023, while other may require 2021 2020. Some may require MCA MTech, while other may require BTech BE. Some okay, and have minimum requirement of 50% in 10th 12th, and in 12th 60%. Okay, so some marks criteria are also mentioned here. Okay, so you can check out by yourself also. Okay guys, so this is a very good opportunity for you all guys. My personal request is to please apply for it. Okay, so how to register for it? Just click on here register button. Okay, after that you are redirect to login page. Okay, in this you have to, if you are already logged in, then just sign in. Okay, if you are new, then click here sign up. After that do sign up, write your name, username, put your emails, phone numbers, choose your password and confirm here. Okay, and mention your college name, select your genders, check out here I agree or not. Okay, means check out I agree. Okay, after that do register. After registration you can do login. Okay, and click here to login. After that you can do your registration. If you face any problem you can do comments, and both apply link and Telegram channel link given in video description. Okay, so check description for more information. Also before submitting the form, make sure that you are rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake, right? Okay guys.